Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about arbitrage opportunities in the stock market. And I have two examples from my trading group. One is Activision Blizzard, which should be bought at $95 by Microsoft. And the signal was on February 8th when I wrote to the members of this trading group that Activision should be bought by Microsoft by the end of the fiscal year 2022, which is June 2023 at $95. But UK antitrust regulators said the proposed 75 billion acquisition should further consolidate what it called Microsoft's strong position in cloud computing. So it's hard to say if the acquisition will finalize. In case it will, in the specified time frame, those are your 5x upside calls, but they are rather 3.7x. So this is the expiration date, June 16th. Entry price 73.98, strike price 90, premium paid 1.08. What happened today was that those calls went from 1.08 to 2.05, and if we look at the chart, this was the signal here on February 8th. This was a reversal candle, the dark red here, and it went today even to 85.62. So the calls went even higher than $2, and there is still room to grow by July 16th. Another signal was on Credit Suisse, which was trading at $0.98. I was asked by a member which opted for the manager membership what are my thoughts on Credit Suisse, and I told him that the only option is to buy puts. The buyout was at 3.25 billion, so around $0.82 per share, and CS is trading at 0.98 right now, but we don't know when the transaction will close. So the potential puts, 21st of April expiration date, 0.98 entry price, 2.5 strike price. Those are in the money puts. It's like taking a leverage position. The premium was 1.53, and this is an arbitrage opportunity of 0.10, 0.15. So today the stock went to 0.82, which was the buyout price, and the puts were trading around 1.69. From 1.53 to 1.69, you had the 10% arbitrage opportunity from Tuesday to Friday. That was the price of the puts at the close, but when the stock was 0.82, those puts were even more expensive than that. If you also want this type of signals, you have my Patreon link in the description of this video. You have also daily results there, and you will also get the buy and sell indicators if you are a member of this trading group.